Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there on this terrific Tuesday? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, guys, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm back with one of my favorite programs. Matter of fact, this is the number one way. I give you my top three. This is the number one way to earn affiliate commissions, instant commissions, member to member, okay, directly to your bank account any way you want. My number one recommended way. All right. Now, the link for this specific program, I have a link specifically for this one. I want you to go to that link, click it, check it out, watch the video, jot down your questions if you have any, and call the call center. They're going to answer all of them for you. But go to that link, check it out. This is a 9-year-old program, okay? Affiliate marketing, I love it. I think it's one of the most powerful ways to start earning commissions online, money online, even for a newbie, okay? Because you don't have to create websites, you don't have to create the product. All you're gonna do is share, okay? Share, not sell, not tell, just share. Share your affiliate link that the company gives you. There's a certain way you got to do that, though, okay? It takes a skill. We can show you how to do it. And when people sign up, they're going to pay you directly, member to member, instant commissions. Okay, whether you want to accept credit cards, debit cards, Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, Bitcoin, however you want to get paid, you decide. You'll set that up in your profile, all right? So they've been around for 9 years, an affiliate program. I've been promoting it. I signed up 2016. Okay, affiliate marketing, love it, love it, love it. Okay, so why this is the number one is because there's 5 income streams with one link. You promote one link and you could earn up to 5 different commissions. Okay, it could be multiple commissions in one day, but you have different levels. You can earn unlimited $100 commissions, unlimited $250 commissions, unlimited $500 commissions, unlimited $1,000 commissions, unlimited G2000 commissions. You get the point? Instantly, okay? You get training, digital marketing training that you can access from anywhere in the world as long as you've got a smart device, one of these, and a Wi-Fi connection, okay? And you get these dings on your phone from the payment processor. You got paid, you got paid, you got paid, you got paid. Like Oprah says, you get a car, you get a car, you get commissions, you get commissions. Okay, so this is real. Okay, I've been in affiliate marketing for years. I've learned so much, but there is a skill to it. Okay, you've got to be consistent as well, but you'll learn how to do this, guys. If you partner with me, you'll have access to me where you can contact me. That's very important, support. Because when I got started years ago, I didn't have that. I got it from the mud. I got out here, I was determined to learn it. I made a lot of mistakes, okay? But I did not give up, and I kept going until I figured it out, okay? It took a couple years to figure it out. But once I got it, the rest is history. So anyway, you're able to earn 5 different levels. That's why this is the number one, because also we got the high ticket, the $2,000 commissions. Can you imagine one day getting a $2,000 sale? For some people, that will be their whole month of working for 4 weeks out the whole month. Okay? Or you got $1,000 commissions, then you also got a $2,000 commissions, or you got $1,000 commissions, and you got a $500 commission. This happens because you never know when people are going to pull the trigger, right? So this program is the number one because of the many levels, and G2000 is the top. All right, unparalleled income opportunity. Now, the link is in the description to go check this out, but I also have other affiliate programs to check those other ones out. Go to www.getpaidfromhome.info, but I put a specific link because I want you guys to go through the funnel to see how it all works, and you'll see how it will work for your customers as well, your business partners, okay? All right, so what are you getting? You're getting the digital marketing training. Each one of these products has their own training courses, okay? So for an example, let's go take a look down here. The lowest level is the G100. It'll be $149 to get started. Perfect place to start. They call this the entry level. You get 8 courses. You're going to earn, you're going to learn at your leisure, guys. There's no certain time. Don't press yourself. Don't get overwhelmed. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't overthink it. The point is, get in. We start promoting. I'll show you how to do that. And then you can go back into your back office and start just listening to the video tutorials at your own pace. Okay, so that's no big deal. But G100, okay, comes with 8 courses. All right, then you get, and that's in the library, that's what you're getting. And then you also are able to get access to resell this. Okay, the company is saying, hey, I'm gonna give you resale rights to sell our products at 100% commission. Every time you sell this G100, you make 100. You keep 100 and they get 49 over and over and over and over again. Okay? And you're going to pay one time for the product. There's no monthly fees. One time. Imagine paying $149, never paying another dime to the company, and just promoting, and earning these 100 bucks over and over and over and over and over and over again. Okay? The same goes for all of these. All right, and then the next one that they have is the G250. You make $250 a day. Okay, or one a week. Some people are happy to see that's an extra $1,000. $250 this week, $250 next week, $250. $1,000 extra for the month. That could change somebody's whole life. So anyway, you get 10 different courses within that G250. Now, if you come in at the G250, guess what? You're going to get the G100 included. So now you got 2 levels of income. Now you see why I say having a program like this, you're able to earn, okay, on all these levels if you position yourself, okay? So that's 2 income streams. All right, so you're learning and earning at the same time. You get the resale rights. See, it tells you, includes the G100. The next one is the advanced level, the G500. Imagine getting one of those a day or one of those a week. That's an extra $2,000, right? 500 4 times in the month. That's $2,000, guys. Okay. So if you get the $500 training, you also get the G250 and the G100. Okay, they tell you that on this page. See right here? Includes everything in the G100 and the G250. So now you got 3 levels of income by promoting one link. One link. All right, next one is the G1000, $1,000 commissions. Can you imagine getting one of those a week? Or one the whole month, right? One of those could be somebody's part-time job for the whole month. They just earned an extra $1,000. Okay, because somebody bought that training. Now, if you get the G1000, of course, you're going to get the other levels included. Okay, video on demand. You get the other levels. See, the G100, G250, and the G500 is included. All right, we're going to look at the cost for these before it's over. Now, if you want to go all in, it's G2000. You get everything. Everything. You're all in. Now, the other good thing about this, and there's 32 videos on demand courses, guys. Okay, you get a plethora of training here, of content. What I like about this program, when I got started in 2016, when there were other programs out here similar to this, this one allows you to keep the commissions at the level you're in. So an example, let's say if you came in at that G100 and you sold the G2000 product, you're still going to make 100. You don't lose the wholesale. There are some programs where if you don't buy that product, you lose that product. You don't make any money. Okay? Whereas with this one, even though you came in and purchased the G100, this person purchased the G2000, you're going to still make 100. The other will roll up to your sponsor, the difference. Okay? So a great program, so you still don't miss out. You still earn at the level you purchase. All right? So content here is productivity, project management. Some of this stuff I took in corporate America. All right? So good stuff. Learn and earn at your own pace, though. Okay? There's no race. Nobody's saying, hey, hurry up and finish this. And you don't have to try to learn everything before you start promoting. That's the thing that people get mixed up in. They think, oh, well, I got to go through my whole back office and figure out all this stuff before I start promoting. No, that's not what you want to do. And again, when you join with me, partner with me, we're going to have a chat so that I can make sure you get on board correctly. Okay? We'll go through all that. Now, for everybody that gets started with me, if this G500, G1000, or G2000, I got a special bonus for you. I'm going to make sure you guys get off to a great start by getting traffic over to your website, eyeballs of people that's interested in making money online. It's a numbers game, guys. The more people look at the opportunity, the greater chances that you're going to get sales. But what also is so cool about this one, you don't have to talk to people. The call center will close them and talk to them for you. Now, they'll do an 80-20 split if they have to talk to them for you and close them and answer all the questions. You get 80% commission, they'll get the other 20. Okay, if you do everything on your own, you keep the whole 100% commission. Okay, it's optional. All right, so awesome platform. Now let's see, if you want to get started, let's take a look at what that would be. All right, if you want to get started, all right, this is what it's going to cost you. Let's go over that. When you click the join now button, make sure, see right here, it says create your account. Make sure you see me as a sponsor, earn with Pandora. That way you know you've signed up with the right person. Now, if you came in and you want to buy the G100 product membership level, what would it cost you? $149. 100 will come to me, 49 will go to the company. One time. So it tells you here, one-time payment, lifetime membership. You wanted to join the 250, it's going to be $250 to your sponsor and $99 to the company. If you want to get the G500, that way you get all 3 levels, you're going to pay $500 to your sponsor and $199 to the company. Okay? If you want to get the G1000 product, you're going to pay $1,000 to your sponsor and $299 to the company. All right. If you want to go all in, it's $2,000 to your sponsor and $399 to the company. All right, guys. That's it. That's all. Me personally, I accept all forms of payment. You can use debit card or credit card, or I also accept crypto. Okay. Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, all of them. Doesn't matter. When you go to the link, it's going to tell you. All right. But yeah, you can get started and it's instant. I'll be notified. I'll mark you paid, which means I've received your payments. I'm telling the system, I'm telling the company, hey, I got my payment, and I will mark you paid right from my smartphone. Okay. I don't have to be in front of a computer. I'll be notified. I'll mark you paid, and then we can set up a time to chat so that I can make sure you get onboarding correctly. Okay. So if you're ready to get started in earning instant commissions, $100 to $2,000 commissions any way you want, and you get the training. Of course, that's what you're paying for. You're paying for the training. You get a whole system. Let me show you this real quick though before I let you go. Right here. See here? We have a call center that does all the selling and telling. They're going to answer all your questions. Okay? And they're going to make sure you get signed up. Okay? Now, if you're a person who don't mind speaking to people, don't worry about it. You keep the whole 100% commissions. But if you want them to take all the calls, not a problem. 80% goes to you and 20% goes to them. And this is the phone number right here. Okay, get all your questions answered. When you go to that link in the description, you're going to see this number. Give them a call. They're going to ask you who referred you. You just give them my name, which is on the page here. Everything is here. They'll know I'm in the system, and they will answer all your questions, and we'll get you all signed up. All right, guys. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, go to that link. Get started. Look forward to working with you in this 9-year-old program, mind you. 9 years. I've been in it for 7 years. Let's partner up. Let's get this money. All right, guys. See you guys on the next video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And I'll see you on the inside. Be safe out there. But before you leave, don't forget to smash it. Smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. See you on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.